Welcome to this short video about CleanPatch-P. This new medical device safely repairs damaged gel pads and patient positioners. We would like to introduce you now to CleanPatch-P and its benefits for healthcare facilities. Gel pads and positioners are common in healthcare, and they are most often found in the operating room. They evenly distribute body weight and relieve pressure during surgical procedures. Since this type of equipment is constantly in use, gel pads and positioners can be easily damaged by rips or punctures. So, what's the problem with this type of damage? When gel pads and other patient surfaces are damaged, the risk of healthcare associated infections is increased because pathogens can enter through the damaged area. This is especially worrisome due to the close proximity of the patient's surgical site. Until now, the only solution we had was to replace damaged equipment and send it to the landfill. But replacement can be expensive, costing hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Now, we knew there had to be an easier and less expensive solution, which is why we invented CleanPatch-P. This medical device is the first of its kind and restores damaged positioners to an intact state in seconds. CleanPatch-P has been clinically validated. It is durable, cleanable, and impervious to fluids. One box of CleanPatch-P includes 10 patches, so you are prepared whenever damage is found. The next time your treatment surface is punctured or ripped, choose repair over replacement to save money, improve patient safety, and reduce waste. Thank you for watching this video about Surface Medical's latest innovation in soft surface repair. For more information, please visit our website at cleanpatchp.com. We look forward to hearing from you and your healthcare team.